Alaikum, Sazzad again. So you're continuing from the page number 9, inshallah. Page number 8, the last one was Ra Fathatain Run. And from the page number 9, starting from the Ra Kasratain Rin, Ron Rin, Ra Dhammatain Run, Ron Rin Run. Remember one thing here, Ra Dhammatain, it's not Run, Ru, Ra Dhamma, Ru, it's wrong. Ra Dhamma, Ro, Ra Dhammatain Run. If you say Run, it's tarkeek. So Ra Dhamma will be Ro, it's tafkhim, the full mouth. Okay? And Ra Dhammatain will be Run, full mouth, tafkhim. Alright. Noon Fathatain Nan, Noon Kasratain Nin, Nan Nin, Noon Dhammatain Nun, Nan Nin Nun, Lam Fathatain Lan, Lam Kasratain Lin, Lan Lin, Lam Dhammatain Lun, Lan Lin Lun, Dad Fathatain Bon, Dad Kasratain Din, Bon Din, Dad Dhammatain Bun, Bon Din Dun. You need to make sure this dal and the dad, it may be the similar pronunciation a bit, but it's all different thing. Okay, dal is tarkeek, dad is tafkhim. Okay, so make sure the kids pronounced it and correctly. JazākAllāh Khaiyr. Continuing inshallah. Ya fathatain yan, ya kasratain yin, not in, yan yin. Ya dhammatain yun, yan yin yun, shin fathatain shan, shin kasratain shin, shan shin, shin dhammatain shun, shan shin shun, jim fathatain jan, jim kasratain jin, jan jin, jim dhammatain jun, jan jin jun. Kaf fathatain kan, kaf kasratain kin, kan kin, kaf dhammatain kun, kan kin kun, qaf fathatain qan, qaf kasratain qin, qan qin, qaf dhammatain qun, qan qin qun, kha fathatain khan, kha kasratain khin, Khon khin, kha dhammatain khun, khon khin khun, ghain fathatain ghan, ghain kasratain ghin, ghan ghin, ghain dhammatain ghun, ghan ghin ghun. You need to make sure these kids actually pronounce this the throat letter, the top of the throat, kha and ghain correctly, so that it doesn't sound, it doesn't sound like it's coming from the mouth. It should be coming from your throat. It's not khon, it's not gone. It's khon, it's ghan. Gha, kha. Okay? JazākAllāh Khaiyr. Continuing inshallah. Ha fathatain han, from the middle of your throat. Ha kasratain hin, han hin. Ha dhammatain hun, han hin hun. Ain fathatain an, same from the same place. Ha and ain from the middle of your throat. Ain kasratain in, an in, ain dhammatain un, an in un. Ha fathatain han, this ha and hamza from the bottom of your throat. Ha, it just come out. The air just come out from when you open your mouth. Ha, hamza. From the same place. JazākAllāh Khaiyr. Continuing inshallah. Ha fathatain han, ha kasratain hin, han hin, ha dhammatain hun, han hin hun. Hamza fathatain an, hamza kasratain in, an in, hamza dhammatain un, an in un. Make sure these waw fathatain one, hamza fathatain an, waw kasratain win, Hamza kasratain, in. Okay? And waw dhammatain, wun. Hamza dhammatain, un. It maybe sounds similar, but it's Hamza is it should come from the bottom of your throat. Waw is from your lips. A lot of more difference. The makhraj wise is like from one corner to the other corner. So make sure it's waw dhammatain, wun, wun. Waw dhamma, wu. Hamza dhamma, u. Okay, inshallah. JazākAllāh Khaiyr, inshallah.